Hello students, today we are going to see standard 5th subject maths, chapter number 10, measuring time. Problem set 43. Write the time shown in each clock in the box given below it. That means the clock diagram is drawn and you have to write the solution. So let's see the time. So how you will draw 12, 6, 3, 9 in this way. Now you have to complete 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 in this way. So as you can see, the small hand, that means a hour hand, is on 2 and the minute hand is on 5. So we will use the table of 5. So this is 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20 and 5 fives are 25. That means 25 minute past 2. You have to remember the big hand will stands for minute and small hand will stands for hour. So that means past 2. So same way as you can see here, the small hand is on 7. That means this is a past, and this is the minute hand, big hand. So it is on 10. So 10 means 5 tens are 50. So 50 minute past 7. Same way you can see here, the small hand is on 8 and big hand is on 1. So 1 fives are 5. 5 minute past 8. Same way you can see here, small hand on 4 and big hand is on 8. That means 5 eights are 40. 40 minute past 4. So let's see question number 2. Draw the hands of the clock to show the time given in the box. That means the time is given and you have to draw the clock. The hands of the clock. So let's draw here 4:30. 4:30 means 4 will be on 4 hours hand, and big hand you can see that is on 6. So in this way we have to see the 4:30. This is of hour and this is of minute. Same way as you can see, 9:15. So that means the small hand will be on 9 and quarter will be on 3. That means 15. So as you can see here, this is 4:30 and this is 9:15. 9:15 in this way. So as you can see, this third sum, 4:45. So small hand will be on 5 because it's our hand, and quarter will be on 9. So 4:45. 4:45 hai, that's why we have written in this way. Now see the next, 50 minute past 11. So 20 minute past 11. So small hand will be on 11 and the big hand will be on 20. That means 4. 5 fours are 20 in this way. Now let's see question number 3. Textbook page number 59, question 3. If a bus that leaves Nasik at 5 o'clock in the morning reaches Pune that same day at 10:30 in the morning, how long does the journey takes? That means the bus leaves Nasik from 5 o'clock and reaches to Pune at 10:30 in the morning. So let's solve it. So this sum will be of minus or plus. Let's see how long does the journey takes. So that means we have to see the minus. So 10:30 it reaches to Pune and 5 o'clock it's start leaving from Nasik. So let's do the minus. 0 minus 0 is 0, 0 minus 3 3 and 10 minus 5 5. So the bus took 5 hours 30 minutes of traveling. Now let's see the fourth question. a play that was to start at 9:15 at night was declared by half an hour, was delayed by half an hour because of a power outage. What time did the play start? That means play will start at 9:15 but half an hour delay हो गया है. So what will be the time of starting the play? So let's see. Hours and minute we will write. So as you know, play to start, that is 9:15, and delayed half an hour, that is 30 minutes. So let's do the plus. 5, this 1 plus 3 4, and this 9. So play starts 9:45 at night. Same way we will see the fifth question. If a train leaves Mumbai at 10:15 at night and reaches Nagpur at 1:40 the next afternoon, how long does the journey take? So let's see. So in this 10:15 at night, that means 12 midnight will be, so half an hour. 2 o'clock at night, that means we have used the 2 o'clock, and train leaves Mumbai, the timing is of 10:15. We will do the minus of this. So 60 plus 0, it will give you 60. So 60 minus 15 we will do. 5 minus 0, it doesn't go, so it will become 5 and it will become 10. So 10 minus 5, 5, and 5 minus 1, 4, and this will cut, it will become a 11. 1 minus 0, 1, and 1 minus 1 is 0. So 1 hour 45 minute. So let's join the next. The 12 midnight to the next 1:40 afternoon. 1:40 afternoon का क्या हो जाएगा? 24 hours में 1 will become a 13 hour 40 minutes in this way. So 1 hour 45 minute which we have taken out, this we will write here, and just now we have taken in 24 hours 13 hours 40 minutes, so reaches Nagpur the next afternoon, that's why we have used this 13. So now let's do the plus. 5, 4 plus 4, 8, this 4 and this 1, so 14 and 85. So what we will do, minus 60 plus 1, because 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. So in this way we have put a minus 60 here and plus 1 here. So what is the answer? 15 hours 25 minutes. So therefore you can write the total time of journey is 15 hour 25 minutes. So in this way you have to complete this practice set 43. Now let's see practice set 44. The time below is given by the 12 hours clock. Write the same by the 24-hour clock. That means you have to use the 24-hour clock. So see, 30 minutes past 10 in the morning, answer will be the same, 10:30. 10 minutes past 8 in the morning, so that means 8 hours 10 minutes in this way. 20 minutes past 1 in the afternoon, so past 1 will become a 13, so 13 20 minutes, so 13:20. Next 40 minutes past 5 in the evening, so 5 in 24-hour clock will become 17:40. Now let's see, match the following. 24-hour clock and this is the 12-hour clock and this is 24-hour clock. So 9:10 a.m. will be 9:10 only. 2:10 p.m. will become 14 and 10 as it is. 5 will become 17, 25 as it is. 11 will become 23 and 10 as it is. 7:25 am is there, so same as it is we will write 7:25. So in this way you have to complete the 2 practice set. Thank you students.